Sir, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Munna, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, sir. How are you, sir?
Yes, Alhamdulillah. So should we start? Already 3 minutes we have up.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Dear student, did you check your messenger group? Right now I have sent 3 picture or 4 picture maybe.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Uh, that is given in your book. You can. So should we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Already we have 42 students, so we can start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. Dear student, today we are going to describe bubble sort, and if possible, then we are going to explain explain the big O, the complexity of function. This is our today's objective. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So coming to the bubble sort, because you know there are some rule. You asked maybe some student previous class, some student asked that if if r if they are in haphazard, I mean random, maybe there is no sequence, so what sort you should use. So if in ascending or descending order, I mean in a sequential way, then you can use linear search or binary search, right? Okay. And if you want to sort, I mean in ascending order, then you need to use an algorithm, that is bubble sort algorithm. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you please repeat again, sir?
Okay, Farhan, suppose if you want to sort, if you want to make a order in ascending, then you have to use bubble sort algorithm. Do you understand? As for example, as for
Yes, sir.
example, as for example, Farhan, suppose 6, 2, 3, 1, Can you see this? 5 and 4.
Yes.
Suppose this is you need to sort in ascending order. Suppose this is you need to sort in ascending order by bubble sort. Huh? By bubble sort. So what will be the here? Okay, dear student.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the procedure? So can anyone say how this bubble sort works? Can anyone say? Sahin? Sahin, can you say how this works?
No, sir.
Okay,
স্যার আমরা
so
তো
can
স্যার ডাটা
anyone
স্যার আমরা ডাটা স্ট্রাকচারে
that
করছিলাম
I
স্যার মানে মানে স্যার এরকম উল্টাপাল্টা দেওয়া থাকলে স্যার আমরা অ্যাসেন্ডিং টু ডিসেন্ডিং আর ডিসেন্ডিং টু অ্যাসেন্ডিং এভাবে করি স্যার এখানে আমরা স্যার মানে এক অনেক কিছু ধরে নিতাম স্যার এন মানে কতগুলো এলিমেন্ট আছে দেন স্যার আমরা হচ্ছে
very good.
স্যার
লুপের মতো স্যার কে ইকুয়াল টু 1 পিটিআর ডাটা পিটার এগুলো দিয়ে করতাম স্যার এখন স্যার ম্যাথে বা কিভাবে করবে স্যার
No, exactly same. Sahin,
স্যার বাবল
your
সর্টে তো
data
আমরা
is
হচ্ছে
হ্যাঁ বাইজিৎ
মানে স্যার নাম্বারগুলো হচ্ছে সোয়াপ করে আমরা দেখব প্রথমে মানে অ্যাসেন্ডিং অর্ডারে করার জন্য কি সোয়াপ করতে থাকবো যতক্ষণ আনটিল মানে লিস্ট সর্টেড না হয়।
স্যার আমরা স্যার ইন্টারচেঞ্জ করবো
Yes.
যতক্ষণ স্যার শর্ত মানবে ততক্ষণ স্যার আমরা ওটা চেঞ্জ করতে থাকবো দেন যখন স্যার শর্ত মানবে না মানে ফলস হয়ে যাবে দেন আমরা থেমে যাব আই মিন স্যার
Yes,
যখন
very good. So we have to interchange, right? So for
Yes.
interchanging, we are using this sign, right?
ইয়েস স্যার
This is the denote, right? So
Yes,
for
sir, okay.
interchanging, we are using this sign. We are using these signs for interchange, right?
ইয়েস স্যার
For interchange. This is the interchange sign. And if we no need to interchange, then we can use this one, right? I mean, this is in correct order. This is in correct order, right? Baijit?
ইয়েস স্যার
Correct order, right? We are using these two symbols. We are using these two symbols. For interchanging, we are using this one. I mean, we want to show that this position is, you need to go to here and you need to move this position to here, right? And this means no need to change, no need to interchange. That's order. That is right. No need to change. Okay. Now, what is the first pass? First pass. Oh, why you are late, Imtiaz, Rafi? So suppose this is our term. 6, 2, 3, 1, 5, and 4, right? Right? So what is
Yes,
this?
sir.
The compiler
Yes, sir.
first read it. So we
Yes,
need
sir.
to first
Interchange.
interchange it because we are for make it ascending. So we have to interchange this. So interchanging, it will go here and 6 there, right?
Yes, sir.
Rest of our you need to keep fixed. Do you understand, dear student?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
First
Yes.
you have to interchange this one. Oh, Nazrul Islam, again you are late. First we have to interchange this one. We have done it. We have shown it. Our work is done. Rest of entries you need to write as a fixed, right? No need to change. Do you
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand? Next, you need to compare this one to this one, right?
Okay.
So
6 sir. 6 sir.
again, you need to interchange this, right?
Yes sir.
Why we are going to interchange, dear student? Because the 6 is greater than 2. In ascending order. So see, this 6 go to the last one, right?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Ascending order, first you have to write down the lower element, then upper, something like that, then the highest. So for this one, we have checked this one, right? Now write 6, rest of element you
Yes
need to
sir. 2
write. So
3
6, then this 3
3.
comes here, 3, 6. Rest of element you have to write as a fixed. So would you please proceed for the next?
Yes sir. 6 sir. 1 yes sir.
So 2, 3,
3 1
1,
6
6 we have done.
5.
5, 4 we have to write. Again we have to compare 6 and 5, right? This
Yes
is
sir.
again wrong position, in wrong
Yes, sir.
order. Then we should interchange. So 2, 3, 1,
5.
5, 6, 4, right? Again this 6 and 4 in wrong position. We are using this sign. That means we have to interchange. So last line.
স্যার
Yes, Munna.
আমরা এখানে
Yes.
6 আর 5 সোয়াপ করলাম স্যার, এটা না করে স্যার আগে স্যার 1 এর সাথে 3 টা সোয়াপ করতে পারতাম না?
Which one? Okay,
Sir.
okay, Munna.
Yes sir.
Okay, Munna. Because 3 and 1 you can change, but before doing this, you must have to do this one, because 6 is greater than this 2. If you want to apply here this rule, that 3 greater, so why do not you want to apply here? Because
Sir, not
this and this, what is the difference?
Sir, not this line, sir.
Do you
Fourth
understand?
line. Sir, fourth row.
যেটা শুরু করতে হবে এটা আগে শেষ করতে হবে।
Yes, sir.
এটা
Yes, sir.
Munna?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, এখানে
First
স্যার
you
না
have to finish it, right? Right, Munna? First you have to finish.
Okay, sir.
This is bubble sort. First, in first pass, the compiler read like this way. Each and
Okay,
every element up to first. Last one you need to check. Okay, Munna?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Then write 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 5, 4, 6. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is incorrect. I mean, this position is fixed. We have fixed it. We are using this box that we have want to sort in ascending order. We have done our duty. This is the first pass, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
first pass
Yes,
done. Then dear student, give space and then write second pass. Second pass, can I clean?
Sir.
Yes, Umme honey.
স্যার ফার্স্ট পাসে যদি লাস্টে 6 না থেকে 5 বা 4 থাকতো দেন হোয়াট উইল দ্য
If there is 5, 4, then wait, we are going to solve another math. In first pass, definitely it will be the highest one, right? Umme honey.
Yes sir, I understand, but my question is if
Okay, carry
if
on.
but my question is if there will no 6, if there is 5 or 4, then what will the answer?
If there is no 6, right?
Yes sir, মানে 6 এর জায়গায় যদি 5 কিংবা 4 থাকতো এরকম যদি কিছু হতো, তাইলে কি হইতো?
যেটা বলো
No,
সেটা শেষে যাবে।
at the end of the first pass, Umme honey, at the end of the first pass, definitely you will get the highest one. You will get the largest one. Here, this position, it will be highest. Do you understand?
For every math.
Every man, in each and every math, whether it is satisfying or not, at the end of the first pass, you will get the largest one.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
This position, you will get largest one, highest one. If you want to make it ascending, right?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Always you will get the highest one. There is no chance it will be less. And that's why you have to compare. Actually, you need to compare 6 to 6. Actually, you are focusing the largest one. Do you understand, honey?
Yes, sir. I understand.
The bubble chart means you want to ascending order. You make it ascending. So what? First you are comparing 6 to 2. Suppose there is no 6 here. You may ask this question. There is no 6. 6 may be here. So you may compare here 1 and 2. So no need to change. No need to interchange, right? Again the compiler change because it satisfies the rule. So no need to change this one. So 2 and 3. Again compiler check 2 and 3. So since 2 and 3, since there is no need to change, right, honey? Again, this
Yes, sir.
maintains the ascending order, right? If
Yes, sir.
this one, if 3 and 1, then the compiler automatically it will change, right?
Oh, okay, sir.
Means you are picking just 3 highest one. Among these 2 or 3, you are just picking the highest. When you compare here and 3, then 5 is the highest, then you are picking the 5, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So at the end of first pass, definitely you will get the highest one, largest one. Okay, there is no chance it will be
Okay,
something
sir.
like that. So can I clean the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I clean? Okay. Now, dear student, again write this one, this line. So 2 and 3, right? 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 5, 4. So this one is fixed already. We have done it. Eh? So you may eliminate this one, or maybe you can write. Better we should write. Okay. Your book এখানে দেওয়া নেই, বইয়ে এটা দেয় নাই, বুঝছেন কি? যেটা হয়ে গেছে অ্যাসেন্ডিং, আফটার মেকিং অ্যাসেন্ডিং,
স্যার
তারা
লিখাই
এটা
বেটার।
লিখেন। ওকে, সো আমরা লিখতেছি। ওকে, সো হেয়ার 6 now coming here, now compare 2 and 3. Is it well ordering?
Yes, sir.
Should we change, interchange? No
No,
need to
sir.
interchange
No, sir.
because
No,
it's
sir.
in correct position. This is
Yes,
in
sir.
correct position, right? So no need to change. Then the compiler read the last line, line. Sorry, we are using black. 2, 3, 1, 5, 4, 6. Then we are just interchanging, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
we are
sir.
interchanging. So
Sir.
2, 1.
1,
Yes.
3.
স্যার স্যার প্রথমটা যদি সোয়াপিং করা না থাকে তাহলে ওই লাইনটাকে আমাদের আবার রিপিট করা লাগবে?
Actually, we are showing the procedure, Munna. Huh?
Yes, sir.
We are showing there no need to change.
Yes, sir.
Do I try to understand, Munna? That the
Yes, sir.
compiler read like this way, since this is so no need to change. Then it will go to the second, right? Do you understand,
Yes.
Munna? That's
Yes,
why
sir.
we are showing like this. Huh?
Sir, when we will do the math at that time, we should write this repeat. I mean, we should repeat.
Yes, we should do it like this way. We should do
Okay,
it.
sir.
Okay. 3 we have done. 5, 4, 6. Then we have compare 1 and 3. So 3 and 5. This is in right position, right?
Yes, sir. Right position.
Yes, sir.
This is in right
Sir,
position.
last 6 we should write in the box.
Yes, box to denote this. Actually,
Okay, sir.
Bayezid, all these are denotes. We are using this sign to interchange to show that this we are interchanging. We are using this sign to represent that this is in correct position. We are showing this box because we have done our duty. that we have. Do you understand, Baijit? Actually, all
Yes,
these
sir.
are carrying the
Sir,
meaning,
all the sign we
nothing
have to
else.
write also.
So, if you interested, so we should write. But if you're not interested, then you cannot. Do you understand, Baijit?
Yes, sir. I understand.
But
Sir,
here you need to represent this one. This carry a
okay.
meaning, right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Dear students, some of students, I'm just sharing my experience. When I give you a math, then some of students maybe in a single khata, I mean for all math, maybe 4 or 5 pass, I did not find anything like this double arrow or this arrow. Maybe both are arrow or maybe single. Do you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
আপনাদের ভুল হবে, প্লিজ মনে রাখেন। আপনারা হয় সবাই এইগুলোই দিবেন, এই যে এইভাবেই দিবেন সবগুলো, আর না হলে দেখা যাবে যে কোনোটাই দিবেন না। বুঝছেন? এটা কিন্তু মনের মতো না। Please be careful about this. Please be careful. This is the carrying meaning, right? So যদি এরকম হয়, your marks will be decreased. Marks কেটে নেওয়া হয়। Shows 2, 1, 3, 5. Now 5 and 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 5 and 4, we have to interchange. So 3, 3, 3, 1, sorry, 2, 1, 3, here 4, this
5.
one is 5. So we have done our double D at the end of the second pass, right?
Sir,
So
is
can
there
you
last
solve the
line
rest?
only 5 boxes or 4 3 also are done?
Yes, also 4 also done, right? No need to
4 and
change.
3.
4, 3
3
also
and
we
4.
have
Yes,
done
sir.
it,
3
right?
and 4 also done.
So can you box it?
3 and 4. So also you can box it, right?
Okay, sir.
Also you can box it, okay? You can box it. But better if you show it in the second pass, then third pass actually. Yeah, Munna or other student, please keep a note. আপনারা আবার বলবেন যে আমি ভুল
মানে স্যার
পড়াইছি।
প্রতি
Not
মানে
like
প্রতি
this.
স্যার পাশে একটা করে স্যার বক্স দেখাবো না?
হ্যাঁ, ইয়া প্লিজ একটু মনে রাখেন। আপনারা এমনি বললে আবার উল্টো বুঝবেন। Please try to understand. The compiler read like second pass, this second is fixed, right?
Yes, sir.
Then when the compiler read this line again, maybe for this one, again you need to compare, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
understand or not? At third line, at second, third pass, then you are just comparing. You are just comparing and you will get this fourth, right? So if you are here box it, maybe there is some missing, right? Do you understand my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how many element here?
Sir, 6 element and 5 and 6 are fixed.
Have 5 and 6 element. So your how many pass you need to finish?
6.
Minimum number of pass.
Sir, minimum number of pass, sir,
5 or
5 or 5, 6.
স্যার প্রতিটা বক্সের জন্য স্যার একটা করে মানে নতুন করে পাস যাইতে হবে স্যার।
হ্যাঁ।
মানে স্যার
So
এখানে আমরা একসাথে করতে পারবো না, বুঝতে পারছেন?
here 1 2 3, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have to go to the fifth pass. After fifth pass you will get your result, right? Though no need to change, but the compiler need fifth pass. Do you understand? I'm going to explain when I teach you the big O. That is very important. As an engineer you should know. Huh? Do you understand? So this is third pass, second pass done. Now third pass. Third pass. Now check, dear student, at the third pass here, right? We should
Yes,
interchange.
sir. Interesting.
Do you understand? So if you box it, I think maybe no need to change. So better you can do it, like there is no boundary condition. We have done it. 3, 4, 5, 6. That we have already done. Munna or other student, listen carefully, dear student. We are showing how the compiler working, right? This is same. We know 3, 4, there is no difference, so we can box it. This is our language, but compiler read each and every step. I mean, you have to using for loop, right? So using for loop means you have to check. You have to compare each and element with this. Do you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because using for loop, yes, MD Asik. Ashikuজ্জামান, do you have a
Yes,
question?
sir. No, sir.
Yeah. Okay, man. So here we have done this one. So we are just showing here the no need to check. We are showing here no need to interchange, right? We are showing how the compiler work, right? The compiler working in such a way. Do you understand my point? Can
Yes,
you
sir.
Yes,
hear
sir.
me?
Yes, sir.
Please try to understand, right? Do not focus my math like you are a human. So our language and computer so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 already we have done. Again the compiler check this one. So this is in right position, right? So this is since this is in right position, so it will think like this way 4, 5, 6. Is it clear? We have done our 3. At the end of third pass, we have fixed 3 elements. At the end of third pass, we have fixed 3 elements, right? So at the end of the fourth pass, you are fixing this element. Fifth pass and sixth pass automatically you will get its result, right? Do you understand? So minimum, since your number of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, since your number of data is 6, so you have to go the compiler repeat this procedure up to fifth time.
Fifth time.
Fifth time, I mean one less, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand or not? So since luckily we'll get our result, so do not just this, skipping this line. Do you understand my point? আমাদের সময় কম, না হলে আপনাকে আরেকটা আমি দেখাতাম। So okay, third pass finish. Now fourth pass. Can I clean it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are showing no need to change. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 already we have done. Again we are showing no need to change, right? To understand? So 1, 2, 3 box. Now you can box 3, 5, 6. Now you can box 3. I'm just showing the step, working step, right? You should apply this way. So I cannot skip a single line. Fourth pass done. At the end of fourth pass, we have fixed fourth element, fourth data, fourth entry, right? Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now fifth pass. Now fifth pass. 1, 2, 3. Again, no need to change. And 3 since we have already done, right? Now we can fix this 3, right? Just after end of the fifth verse, you will print the result. Our printing result is the shortest is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. At the end of the fifth execution, you will get like this. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have a question actually. You can try. There are several maths given. You can try in exercise. We are solving this exercise number 34. Okay. We have solved this math which is given in exercise 34. So you can try another math. Would you please write?
Yes, sir.
Would you please write down the math? Another math you can try at home. 6, 6, 5, 3, 1, 6, 5, 3, 1, 8, 7, 8, 7, 2, 4. 2, 4. Okay, you can try.
স্যার এখন করব না হোমওয়ার্ক স্যার?
You can try. You can try. At your home, you can try because this is a very easiest thing. That's why I'm just skipping. Do you understand or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understand it, sir.
So if you are unable to solve, then I'm going to show you. But if you say, because our time is short, so we are going to explain the big O. So can you proceed? Can
Yes,
you
sir.
proceed for the
Yes,
next?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Before starting big O, dear student, before starting big O, as for example, if I ask you a question, they write a program to print, write a program to print 100 n square 17 n plus 4 by inputting value, different value of n. Do you understand my point or not? To calculate this one, do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So can you write a program to print by inputting value n, right? You have to input n. Do you understand my point? And another program, if I ask you a question, would you please write a program to print this one? I mean a series of values, a set of values. Do you understand my point, Mr. Programmer?
Yes, sir.
So you have to input n and you need to calculate. Suppose you are putting n equals to 1. N equals to 1, then what is the value? this value, what will be the its value? Its value will be 1, right?
1. Yes, sir. 1.
For n equals to 1, right? Its value is 1, right? What is the value?
So 100 plus 17 plus 21.
121, right? Do you understand? So if you put n equals to 2, what will be the value? What
Sir,
will be the
4
value?
sir, 438 maybe.
438. So এখানে কত হয়?
Sir, 17
34,
34. Yes, sir.
38,
438.
38, 438, right?
Yes, sir. 438.
438. So if you 3, similarly, do you understand, dear student? Can you listening me? Can you hear me clearly or
Yes, sir.
not?
Yes, sir.
Because this
Yes, sir.
big O is very important. Big O, I know you have a definition or you have an idea. I know you are very good in your departmental course, but this big O is very important. As hardware or software engineer, you must have to know. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Dear student, you need to know because when you run the program, it depends on the time, right? Or only it depends on the computer, I mean hardware or software. A program depends on the hardware or software. Which one?
Sir, both.
Sir, both of.
Both.
Both, sir.
Both. So hardware and software, right? You want to say the program depends, I mean execution time depends on hardware and software. You want to say something like this? So suppose dear student, your laptop, some of your laptop RAM may be different, right?
Yes, sir.
Do
Yes,
you
sir.
understand my point?
Yes, sir.
So you have a different laptop, different configuration, different laptop or PC, right? So when you run a program, I mean a single program, if you write a program and maybe if you run in different computer, so what will take? Did you check it execution time? I mean your friend PC, what is the execution time? Your PC, what is the execution time? Did you ever check it?
No, sir. No, sir. What is the result? We
No.
can check it.
Okay. Okay. So okay, what is the result? You can check it, but did you check how much time it will take to run?
It's different in different laptop or
It's
computer.
different.
Yes, sir. Execution time is
Okay, suppose you want to run a program in supercomputer and you want to run same program in your laptop. What will be the difference?
big different. My
Big,
computer
huge
is
Sir,
difference, right?
time difference, sir.
Time difference. Very good. So you want to say that is time. You need to know, right? So if you get if you run the program with the shortest time, maybe you can say yes, you are good, right?
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes,
So,
sir.
dear students, suppose if in a program, try to understand. Please listen carefully. And if you have a question, you can ask. Suppose if you have written a program, we have written a program to print this one and this one, right? So
Yes, sir.
actually, its execution times depends on the operation by increase the n value by inputting n. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand how many operation it will take? how many number of operations it will take. If this program takes, suppose if you input, we input n equals to what? We input n equals to 1. Try to understand. We input n equals to 1. How many operation number? If you run this program to print the sum, I mean 121. Try to understand. 121 to print this program, 121, it will take like this operation, and it will take only one operation, right?
Yes, sir.
It will take number of operation is this, and its number of operation is this. This program, when n equals to 2, this program, its operation needed, number of operation needed 438, its operation needed only 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you compare this to one, how much time it will take? This one or this one? Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? Number of operation, or I mean execution by execution time. Do you understand? Do you understand or not? Why do not you respond?
Yes, sir.
Baijid, Munna, do you understand? Or
Yes, sir.
are you thinking? Are you busy with your lunch or sleeping?
No, sir.
Can you please repeat again?
Isra Jahan, suppose this program takes, when n equals to 1, you have to input n, right? Then you will get output. You will get input, then you will get output. So, I mean, number of operation depends on the input, right?
Yes.
So, when you put in n equals to input n equals to 1, this program takes 121 operations. And for this program, it will take only one operation, right?
Yes.
So now normally as a human, we are thinking, so if one operation takes half second, as for example, if one operation takes half second, so how much time you will get? You will get your result for this program. It's
Sir, half second.
half second, right? And how much time it will take? How many operation? Operation number is 121.
Sir, 59.5.
So it will take more second, right?
Yes, sir.
Actually, dear student, this is very complex. Which program I mean take much time up to this before this big O notation, except this big O notation, thicker. But big O, then you can easily identify, you can easily find out the number of operation. Actually, that's why your program, though your PC's configuration or laptop configuration are different, but you will get the same time at a same. Your time of execution, your friend's computer and your computer is exactly same. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do
Yes,
you
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Because it actually depends on the operation number. How many operation I mean execution line. How many execution line there are? I mean compare reading, only one statement here, and there are maybe several things. 24 operations, there are so many things here, right? Okay. So it will take definitely more time, and that's why it's this one, this function is a big O of n cube. Which one is greater, dear student? Among this function, which one is greater?
Sir, n cube.
184 plus 79 plus 4.
N cube greater.
No, sir. Middle
No,
middle
sir.
one.
Middle one.
Middle one.
This one is greater. This one is greater, dear student. Huh? And this one is less. So how can you equate? How can you equate? If you say this is f of x, if you say this is g of x, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So if you want to equate this one, f of x, how can you equate? Or maybe less. How can you equate it less? How can you? Can you write here like this, g of x? Can you write
No,
it
sir.
equal? Can you write it
Sir.
equal? Your answer is no, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So if you want to equate, so which one you need to multiply? This one or times? Which times? Which will be the times? This times or this one?
Equal to
Multiple of something into this, then you can equate.
Sir, can you please mute your microphone?
Try to understand, dear student, because this is bigger than this one. F of x is bigger than g of x. And we want to equate it. How can you equate? 1 equals to 120. How can you equate this one? How can you equate? You have to multiply this one or this one. কোনটা দিয়ে multiply করতে হবে? কোনটাকে multiply করতে হবে?
G of
Sir,
x.
121 দিয়ে
Sir,
multiply করতে হবে।
121.
121 you need to keep fixed. You have to multiply this one, right, to equate. You understand or not?
Yes, sir. Into
Yes, sir.
1 into
Suppose there are
121.
7 and another is 3. So how can you equate? আপনাকে বড়টাতে মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে নাকি ছোটটাতে?
Sir, smaller
So
than.
you have to multiply the, yes, smaller. So you have to, so there will be a multiple, right?
Ira.
Isra Jan, can you mute?
Israt, maybe your headphone problem. You have to multiple this smaller one, right? So if we multiple it, so it will be equal, right? Suppose we are multiple by k. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
One thing remember, f of x is bigger, g of x is smaller. F of x is bigger, this one is bigger, right? And this one, g of x is smaller, bigger. F of x is bigger, right? And g of x is smaller. একটু মনে রাখেন এটা, তাহলেই হবে। So bigger কে equal করতে গেলে কি হবে? We have to multiply by something, some constant, right? To equate, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
We want to equate, not only exactly equate, maybe এর চেয়ে তার একটু বড় হতে পারে। Okay?
Yes, sir.
So if two function, one is f of x, another is g of x, where f of x is bigger, g of x is smaller. So if f of x and g of x maintains this relation, f of x is less than equals to kg of x, if they maintain this relation, maybe its absolute value, right? I mean, just focus on the magnitude. Do you understand? Is there any chance, what is here? Is there any chance it will be negative? Dear student, is there any
No,
chance f of x and g of x will be negative?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Because time, right? Because you are dealing with time. I mean, you are dealing with the operations number. You are comparing the operations number, right? An operation number, at least some operation number will be. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Please focus on, keep in your mind, what is f of x and g of x? F of x and g of x, this is the function, but why you are using this function? This function, with the help of this function, you are just finding the operation number of operations take. Is it clear or not? How many
yes,
operations it will take? A program, when you run a program, how many operations it will take? You are just finding like this, and you are representing by f of x. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So since this is the number of operations, so definitely it will be positive. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now coming to the point, if f of x and g of x maintains this relation like this, with the help of this k, and another x is greater than some other value, right? X is greater other value, then we can say f of x is a big O of g of x. We can read at f of x is big, we can write the f of x is big O of g of x. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
প্রভুদাই বুঝছেন কিনা I don't know.
স্যার একটা ম্যাথ ভালোভাবে ফুল করলে বুঝতে পারবো পুরোটা।
আপনাদের
Yes, sir.
এক্সাম্পল দেওয়া হলো বাইজিৎ, একটু বলবেন কাইন্ডলি একটা এক্সাম্পলটা।
স্যার কোন এক্সাম্পল?
বিগ ওতে দেখেন এক্স স্কোয়ার প্লাস টয়েস এক্স প্লাস 1 দেওয়া আছে বোধহয়। যে শো দ্যাট এফ অফ এক্স স্কোয়ার প্লাস অর এন দেওয়া আছে, কি যেন দেওয়া আছে। Could you please check your messenger group?
Sir, example 1. Fx equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 is 0 bracket x square.
হ্যাঁ, is big O of Nikta. This is big O,
Yes, sir.
big O of
Yes, sir. X square. Okay, sir.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, Minhaj.
Sir, did you take attendance?
Sir,
No.
3 minutes, sir.
Oh, what time?
Sir,
Oh,
time is over almost.
Sir, 3
sorry,
minutes left, sir.
gentlemen. Yes, you should.
Sir,
You
3
should.
minutes left, sir.
Wait. I'm sorry. আমি তো ভুলে গেছি অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স নিতে হবে কোথা থেকে। Do you have a class, dear student?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry
Yes,
আজকের
sir.
জন্য। I'm extremely sorry. আমি খেয়াল করি নাই। এবার সময় চলে গেছে। একটু কাইন্ডলি আমাকে আগে বলবেন। আই এম এক্সট্রিমলি সরি। সি ডেট আটকাস।
নো প্রবলেম স্যার।
আজকে তো আমরা গল্পও করি নাই, সময় কেমনে গেল বুঝলাম না।
স্যার
ওকে,
ম্যাথ
রিক্তা প্রেজেন্ট, আসিফ প্রেজেন্ট, মুন্না প্রেজেন্ট, ফারহান লাবিব প্রেজেন্ট, হাদিউজ্জামান আছেন? হাদিউজ্জামান, হাদিউজ্জামান। ওকে, সেলিম হোসেন সোহাগ, সেলিম হোসেন সোহাগ।
Yes, sir.
ওকে, সাকিবুল্লাহ মিয়ান,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
মশিউর রহমান,
Yes, sir.
মশিউর রহমান।
Yes, sir.
ওকে ওকে, আব্দুল্লাহ আল মাহাদি হাসান সোহাগ,
Present, sir.
ইসরাফিল হোসাইন,
Present, sir.
হামিম, শাহাদাত উল্লাহ নাইম,
Yes, sir.
শাহাদাত উল্লাহ নাইম, আনিকা বুশরা,
Yes, sir.
নিয়াজ মোর্শেদ,
Yes, sir.
হোসাইন এমডি সাফাত,
Yes, sir.
বন্নি বিশ্বাস,
Yes, sir.
নজরুল ইসলাম,
Present, sir.
রেদওয়ান আহমেদ,
Yes, sir.
শেখ মোহাম্মদ সাদিকুল
Yes, sir.
ইসলাম, ইমতিয়াজ হোসেন রাফি,
Yes, sir.
তানজুম আক্তার,
Yes, sir.
জুলিয়ানা তনু,
Present, sir.
ফারজানা তানিয়া,
Yes, sir.
উম্মে হানিফ তমা, হানি প্রেজেন্ট, আনিক পল, অনিক পল,
Yes, sir.
অনিক পল,
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
এমডি শাহিন ইকবাল। ওকে, শাহিন ইকবাল, ফারজানা আক্তার হিমা,
Present, sir.
শাহিন ইকবাল আরিফ। ওকে, বাইজিদ প্রেজেন্ট, রায়দা, রায়দা, রায়দা আরিফ প্রেজেন্ট।
Sir, present, sir. Sir, I'm present.
ওকে, ওকে, রোমানা আফরোজ, রোমানা
Present,
আফরোজ,
sir.
সাবরিনা প্রেজেন্ট, ইসরাত জাহান লিমা,
Present,
ইসরাত
sir.
জাহান লিমা,
Present,
আব্দুল
sir.
লতিফ তালুকদার। ওকে, আব্দুল লতিফ তালুকদার, শান্তা চৌধুরী,
Yes, sir.
রাহাতিল মাহমুদা,
Yes, sir.
রুহুল আমিন, রুহুল আমিন প্রেজেন্ট, মশিউর রহমান, মশিউর রহমান, খাজা মিনহাজ প্রেজেন্ট, নাহিদা ইসলাম,
Yes, sir.
হুমায়ুন কবির,
Yes, sir.
সঞ্জিদা খান মিতু,
Sir, she was facing a
সঞ্জিদা খান
problem.
মিতু। ওকে, অর্চিতা রয়, সুমাইয়া ইসলাম লামিয়া,
Yes, sir.
অর্চিতা রয় অ্যাবসেন্ট।
Sir, Suman.
ওকে, অর্চিতা তাহলে অ্যাবসেন্ট। কাজী ফারিহা,
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
শিহাব সরওয়ার, শিহাব। Okay, so that's all for today. And
Sir,
thank you.
Sir, Tanjum Akhtar, sir, present.
I know you are.
Sir, Shine of sir.
Khalid, Shaheen,